Get into the 2013 Toyota Camry. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, adjustable steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, power mirror, CD player, bucket seats. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.